Every time crypto comes up, people turn into extremists. One guy is like, bro, Bitcoin will replace banks. Buy now or stay poor. The other guy is like, crypto is a scam. It's all fake internet money. And somehow both of them sound equally confident. Meanwhile, you're just sitting there wondering, okay, cool, but what actually is this thing? Because let's be honest, most people talking about crypto either own too much of it or have never spent more than 5 minutes understanding it. So here's the simplest explanation you'll hear. No hype, no conspiracy theories, no Bitcoin to the moon. Just what crypto actually is and why people can't stop arguing about it. Think about how money works right now. You send money through UPI. A bank sits in the middle. You buy shares. A broker sits in the middle. You use Paytm, GPay, PhonePe. Someone sits in the middle. And honestly, most of the time that's fine. Crypto started with one question. What if you didn't need the middleman? That's it. That's the whole idea. Instead of trusting a bank to keep track of who owns what, thousands of computers around the world keep track together. That's what blockchain is. Don't worry about the technical stuff. Just remember this. Crypto is basically an attempt to move trust from institutions to technology. Whether that's genius or unnecessary is where the debate starts. Now, to be fair, crypto fans aren't completely crazy. Some of the problems they're pointing at are real. Sending money internationally can still be annoying and expensive. Banks do fail. Governments do print too much money sometimes. And not everyone lives in a country with stable banking. If your currency keeps losing value every year, you're going to look for alternatives. That's why crypto became useful in some places. But honestly, the reason most university students got interested wasn't because they wanted to fix the financial system. It was because someone turned 10,000 rupees into 10 lakh rupees and posted about it on Instagram. Let's be real. Most people came for the gains, not the technology. And that's okay. Making money is a perfectly fine motivation. Just don't pretend you're changing the future of finance because you bought a coin named after a dog. Now, the crypto critics also have a point. Because for every genuine project, there are about 500 random coins that exist for absolutely no reason. You've seen them. A celebrity tweets. The coin pumps. Everyone rushes in. A few months later, nobody talks about it again. And somebody lost their semester fees. Crypto also has a massive hype problem. People talk about it like it's guaranteed to make them rich. It isn't. Bitcoin has had years where it went up like crazy. It's also had periods where it crashed so hard, people genuinely thought it was finished. Imagine checking your investment and seeing 50% of your money disappear. Most people suddenly stop saying diamond hands after that. And here's the thing nobody likes admitting. A lot of people buying crypto don't actually know what they're buying. They're buying because a YouTuber said it, or because a friend made money, or because they're scared of missing out. That's not investing. That's just FOMO with extra steps. So what's the truth? The truth is crypto is probably neither of the extreme opinions you hear online. It's not going to magically replace every bank on earth next year. And it's not some giant scam that's guaranteed to go to zero. It's a high-risk asset, that's it. Some parts of it are genuinely innovative. Some parts of it are complete nonsense. And the hard part is figuring out which is which. If you're a university student with 2,000 rupees to invest every month, the biggest mistake isn't buying crypto. The biggest mistake is making crypto your entire investing plan. Because most people spend more time researching a new phone than they spend researching where they're putting their money. If you want exposure to crypto, fine. Just understand what game you're playing. This is not the place for money you can't afford to lose. This is not guaranteed wealth. And this is definitely not a shortcut. Whenever someone talks about crypto, ask yourself one question. Would they still be saying this if they didn't own any? Because the loudest people in crypto usually have something to gain from your opinion. The best investors aren't the people shouting, buy. They're not the people shouting, scam. They're the people who understand what they're buying before they buy it. And honestly, that rule works for a lot more than crypto.